Hello friends, my name is LIYANA binti Sheikh ARIF and I'm 16. I am currently studying at SMK PERMAI INDAH with the code PEA0010. Have you ever wondered what happened to the food you just ate? Does it really disappear or something amazing happen inside your body? Today, I'm going to take you on an adventure journey through human digestive system with the fun and educational comic book titled Science Comics, The Digestive System, A Tour Through Your Gut by Jason Viola. So buckle up and let's begin. First of all, when you eat, food goes straight into your mouth. We're about 50 to 100 billions of bacteria living here. There are over 200 species of bacteria living here too. Mouth is also part of digestive organ, where digestion starts here. Digestion is the process taking a complex food, breaks it down, and turn into simple basic form. You see, food is a mixture of chemical substances called nutrients. There are two types of nutrients. First is macronutrients. Macronutrients are needed in large amount every day. For example, carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. Carbohydrates, also known as sugar, provide the body with fuel. Single or double molecules of carbohydrates is a simple sugar. Glucose, a simple sugar, is the most essential source of energy for your body. While complex carbohydrates, proteins are chains of small units. While carbohydrates provide energy for your cells, proteins is needed to maintain and develop blood, muscles, bones, and organs. Lipids is fat and used to protect the organ. These nutrients need to be broken down so that it's easier for the body to digest. The tongue has incredible flexibility, helps you to get the food around. The tongue is also covered with rough, bumpy structures called papillae. The uvula, the projection dangling from a palate, prevent the food from passing through the wrong side of pharynx. Food that change chemically by enzymes will turn into bolus, perfect for swallowing. This bolus travels down the esophagus and it will eventually end up in the stomach, an elastic organ that stores food and breaks it down. Although often associated with nose, most mucus is produced by cells in the gut. This mucus protects the stomach from being digested by acid that can cause awful and painful ulcers. Next is duodenum. Duodenum is the uppermost part of small intestine. Most of nutrients absorption happens on the surface of special cells in the villi. When stomach is empty, signals are sent to the brain, and that's why you feel hungry. After all nutrients absorption are done in small intestine, it will move to big intestine where water absorption happens in the ascending colon. Most famously, our consumption of carbs causes us to release gas, producing the signature sound associated with flatulence. The sulfur producing bacteria tend to reside in the descending colon near to the end of the tube. 2 or 3 times a day, this big intestine gives these waste a vigorous push. The material left after all last-minute absorption called feces. The feces leave the body through an opening called anus, and you will hear plunk. It's all done. And that's how our digestive system really works. The moral of the story here is, We need to appreciate our digestive system. That's all from me. Thank you.